excited to announce that we have made a decision at Carnival as part of our commitment and belief in this market. We are going to be bringing our third Vista-class ship, Carnival Panorama, to be based year-round right here in Long Beach, starting in 2019. So for those of you who have been waiting, and I know some of our own team are really excited about this news. I'm sure for travel agents in the community, this is going to be a great opportunity for selling even more people on cruising Carnival out of Long Beach. This is the first time in 20 years that Carnival will position a brand new ship straight from the yard to Long Beach, California. Now, our beautiful Carnival Panorama at 133,500 tons will accommodate nearly 5,000 passengers at full capacity, and will, of course, be our largest year-round ship ever based in Southern California. She is going to have all of the great innovations that we've introduced in 2016 on Carnival Vista, from Skyride to family harbor cabins, our amazing tropical Havana section, of course our Cloud9 Spa, and like her sisters, Carnival Vista and Carnival Horizon, which we'll be picking up from the yard next month, amazing food and dining. So Fahrenheit Steakhouse, our amazing bonsai sushi with indoor, outdoor, alfresco seating, of course, Guy's Burger Joint, which everyone loves, and the list goes on and on. Of course, we are not going to tell you everything today because we are keeping a few surprises that we are working on for the launch of Carnival Panorama that will be unique just to Carnival Panorama, that will be here. So we think, again, and I hope you can appreciate, with the investments that we've made in this terminal, our confidence in the community and the partnership that we've had here for many, many years, bringing our brand new ship to this market, Ensenada, the investment and the focus we have on enhancing guest experience when they go ashore is really, I think, an exciting time for all of us at Carnival, especially for those who are here selling on the West Coast.